You put stuff in the bag?
Mom?
Yes? Let me see what's in your bag. Let's see. Oh, did you go shopping? Good. Where are you going? The puppy?
Puppy.
Oh, that's Molly when she was a puppy. That's right. Do you want to show Molly her picture when she was a puppy?
Puppy.
She's a puppy. Are you going to put it in your bag?
What?
Did you go shopping for that?